Hello Red Devils, MUFC Religion here, and I'm back again with the video. And as you can see, this is my Twitter page, so please go follow it. As you can see at the moment, I've got 5 followers. So MUFC Religion, the Twitter username is at MUFC Religion 97. So that's the Twitter username. So as you can see here, at MUFC Religion 97. So that's the Twitter username. So please go search that. And as you can see, this is a dedicated Twitter page for my YouTube channel. And as you can see, my birthday is coming very soon, so I can't wait for that. And these are all the tweets I've done here. As you can see, check my YouTube channel out. Murata to Manchester United is apparently a done deal. Manchester United have been monitoring Kieran Tierney, left back, ahead of a £50 million opening bid. Now, there's not much substance to that. That's why I didn't make a video. But it could be one that Mourinho is looking for, a left back cover. And Manchester United have released the new home kit for the 2017-18 season, and I've already made a video on it, as you can see here. So whenever I do make a video, it will be on my Twitter, because it's linked to my YouTube channel, so it will show up on my Twitter account. So if you're following me on Twitter, you will be able to get notifications. And so that's the kit there, so please go check that video out. I made it, it's the previous video, and the kit looks absolutely amazing in my opinion. It looks so simple, so clean. I wish the Shipwrek logo was a bit smaller, but it doesn't really matter because it looks absolutely gorgeous. And that's the home kit. And obviously our away kit looks amazing as well. But I'm not really sure what to get. Shall I get the home kit or the away kit? Let me know in the comments below, because I want to buy the kit. But I'll buy it later on to wait for further signings to come. But anyways, this is my Twitter account at MUFC Religion 97. So please go give it a follow. It just shows me your support. And anyways, it's been MUFC Religion. Like, subscribe. I'll see you guys later.